The development within the artificial intelligence sector is moving at a monstrous pace. Last week alone, some of the biggest AI companies released their newest updates and they blew people's minds. OpenAI released GPT-4, which is 500 times more powerful than its predecessor, and GPT is now multimodal, which means it can parse both images and text. Midjourney also released version 5, which brings significant improvements in language understanding, accuracy, and aesthetic flexibility. Stability AI announced Stable Diffusion Reimagine, and Reimagine is a new clip drop tool that allows users to generate as many variations of a single image as they want. Google and Microsoft are also trying not to be left behind, so Google announced the integration of AI across Google Workspace, which includes generating images, presentations, emails, docs, and more. And Microsoft introduced Microsoft 365 Copilot, and this AI will be integrated into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. But these are just quick updates for the artificial intelligence space within the biggest tech companies, just so you know that AI continues to grow, and the AI crypto coins are not just pumping for no reason and they will go to zero anytime soon. The AI narrative will be huge for the next bull market in my opinion, and it is not a short-term thing. However, many AI crypto coins already saw a massive run to the upside, and most of you probably didn't have the chance to take advantage of that move. That's why in this video I will show you super tiny AI crypto coins that have a realistic chance to 500x from their current price point, so this time you'll be able to get in early and not miss the train. However, nothing in this video should be considered financial advice, and I will show you the crypto coins that I personally like and think they have huge potential. So the first AI crypto coin that is super tiny and 500x is definitely in the cards is CryptoAI. CryptoAI is an ERC20 project which launched this year on the 27th of January. The ultimate goal of CryptoAI is to make artificial intelligence accessible to the masses and create a bonding between the cryptocurrency and the artificial intelligence sectors. They build various AI crypto tools that will help you buy, analyze, and stay up to date with the latest crypto-related stuff. The tools that they currently have are Contest AI, which is an automated buy contest bot where a random winner will be picked by an AI bot and the competition prize will be paid automatically. They distributed 185 ETH so far, or around $325,000. Another tool they have is CryptoBuys AI. This AI tool is designed to track buys on your personal cryptocurrencies, identify potential moonshots, and stay up to date on the latest crypto trends. They provide a comparison table where you can see why CryptoBuys is better than the other crypto bots, and in fact, they offer quite a few very useful features that would be appreciated by many investors and traders. Another tool they have is Multi-AI. This is basically a GPT-3 integration, so you can basically use ChatGPT on their platform to find answers to different questions or write blogs, business emails, or whatever you might need it for, and also create amazing visuals with the dream and realize functions. So I assume they will be updating their tools to the newest releases of the GPT-3 machine learning model. And as I mentioned earlier, OpenAI recently released their 4th version, which is insanely more powerful, and probably they will integrate it into their tools. But on top of that, this AI tool can also produce video and voice deepfakes of your favorite celebrities, so it's not a simple GPT integration. The next AI tool under their belt is Raid AI. This is basically a Twitter-based tool that tracks predefined hashtags and cash tags, and it also rewards users for their shilling performance with its unique system known as Raid to Earn, and you can be rewarded for spreading the word on Twitter. Now, I would never talk about a crypto project that I think it's a complete scam just for the sake of making money, and the word shilling has some very negative feelings attached to it because generally crypto is very risky and every coin can go to zero or close to zero. But talking about a good project that doesn't look like the next cash grab, but it's actually with good fundamentals, solid team, real utility, and solid development plans, I think is a good thing. But of course the risk still remains, so a little side note here, but don't trust any influencer and bet the family farm on any crypto project, of course including me, especially me. I don't want to be the reason for someone's loss, so I just show you projects that I like, I think they have the potential to go up in price a lot, briefly explain the project to find out why it might be a good investment, and your job is to dive deep and figure out the risk to reward ratio and is it worth your time and money. Not financial advice, and I don't get paid by these projects honestly, that's just my personal picks and the purpose is only educational. But anyway, the next tool they have is called DirectSwap AI. This AI tool is the first bot that allows anyone to buy tokens on Uniswap just with a simple buy command on Telegram. This can come in very handy for the average investor because they don't have to leave the platform, and the bot can also be incorporated by developers in their own projects, so their token can be bought directly on Telegram. And the last tool they have is Analyzer AI. This tool can analyze any ERC20 wallet, so you can get useful insights for different things like ROI, best, worst trades, and many more statistics to help you maximize your returns. And I said the last tool, but that's not actually all they offer. They keep building more tools, and I hope to be even more useful. And the incentivization for their native token to be bought is that these tools can actually be used if you hold a CAI token. So all these tools are completely free, and you'll be able to use the new tools and upgrades they release for free as well. But you must have their token in your wallet. If I quickly go to CoinMarketCap to see how the CAI token is performing, we can see that all of their early investors are in profit, and moreover, they had a chance to 10x their investment, even though the project is only a few months old. So pretty solid performance so far, I should say. And if we take a look at the market cap, it currently sits at around $6 million, and no dilution in the future should be expected. However, the circulating supply is self-reported, so you should definitely keep that in mind in order to avoid being caught off guard. In terms of the upside potential, if we multiply the current market cap of CryptoAI by 500, the market cap will reach $3 billion. And I think this is something completely realistic, considering the AI narrative and what ChatGPT alone did for a few months. Again, nothing is guaranteed, and as much as it can go to the upside, going to zero will always be on the table, so keep that in mind. Moving on to the next 500x gem on the list, and that is AI Path. AI Path is simply a crypto launchpad for projects that harness the power of artificial intelligence. Owning their token will give you the earliest access to future AI crypto projects that are about to hit the market, so you can have a chance to invest in those projects before they go public when they are super cheap. The AI Path token itself was launched only this month, but the project already has a few projects lined up on its launchpad. The first one is Magical AI, which is basically an NFT project that is powered by AI generated images, and the initial market cap will be only $16,000, so you know that the upside potential is enormous. The other project that soon will be launched through the AI Path launchpad is, I think it's called Execute. This one doesn't look very promising, to be honest, and I did not find a lot of information about it, but the third one doesn't look bad, and it's basically an AI powered layer 2 ZK rollup that will offer speed, security, and accuracy. Its name is Based GPT, and it might offer a good opportunity, I don't know, but nonetheless, many AI projects will launch in the next months and years considering the growing AI trend, and not all of them will be big winners for sure, but there will be a couple of very solid projects that will do hundreds of X's for sure, so I think AI Path might be a very good long-term investment. And if you take a look at the current price of AI Path token on CoinMarketCap, we can see that the project didn't see any decent rally yet, and its market cap sits just below $2 million, and the upside potential is mind-blowing. Now, I must say that only 2% of the supply is currently in circulation, and that could be a problem in the future. But if you are thinking of putting any money into this project, I strongly suggest you check their token release schedule and make more in-depth research overall. But the last AI moonshot on today's list is CryptoGPT. CryptoGPT is a layer 2 blockchain that powers the AI revolution, and its blockchain hosts apps with over 2 million active users, placing it as one of the biggest blockchains at launch. The project lets you own the monetization of your AI data and turns every task of your daily life into a source of income. We all know that the asset that powers AI is data, and without data, it's impossible to build and improve artificial intelligence. ChatGPT is the world's fastest growing app, reaching 1 million users only 5 days after its launch. And because of that, pretty much all AI crypto coins saw a massive surge, but that was all based on the narrative and speculation. However, like I said, CryptoGPT has currently more than 2 million users, so people are actually using their platform instead of just speculating. Developers of lifestyle, music, gaming, dating, travel, and other apps join CryptoGPT's ecosystem to unlock a new source of data income. CryptoGPT is a layer 2 that uses ZK rollup technology, which makes it very scalable, and they use a mining model and security aligned with the activity. They have something called proof of activity that ensures the network security increases in parallel to adoption, which is very interesting. They already onboarded applications in gaming, fitness, education, travel, and other verticals. However, their blockchain is not launched yet, and we know that these things take time. And looking at their roadmap, at the end of 2023, they will have their ZK rollup layer 2 mainnet beta released at best. But the good thing is that if we say that between 2024 and 2025 we should expect the bull market, their blockchain will be live by then, so that would be a great catalyst for the project. But apart from that, I like how they work on other things like NFTs and apps which are actually successful, and not just working on another layer 2 blockchain that will come sometime in the future, nobody knows when. But looking at the success they have with their apps and the way they are building their blockchain with scalability and decentralization in mind, I think the future is definitely bright for this project, and we might be looking at a top performer within the AI crypto projects right here. And of course, I can't miss showing you the chart of the GPT token, which looks absolutely beautiful at the moment. Almost everyone is in profit from this project, and as you can see, it's only 2 weeks old. In terms of market cap, this one has the highest market cap of all three, and it's quite big for 500x if I have to be completely honest, but it's not something insane either. A 500x move to the upside will put the market cap at around $18 billion, and that is the market cap of XRP during a bear market, so it's not something like catching up on Ethereum or something like that, but the upside potential strongly depends on how well we'll grow the AI trend as well. Considering the competition between the biggest tech companies within the AI sector, I think this trend won't die off and it will continue to grow even bigger. Also, let's not forget that the macro is horrible right now and the risk of a recession is still in the cards, so lower prices in general must be expected. So a decent pullback on CryptoGPT might represent an excellent buying opportunity and a better chance for 500x returns. However, I must mention the giant fully diluted market cap because only 10% of the supply is currently in circulation and that is also self-reported, so there is a risk of data being manipulated. But apart from that, I really hope you like my 3 potential 500x AI picks for today's video, and you can watch my top 3 layer 1 crypto projects to buy in 2023 that just popped up on the screen, and also subscribe to my channel if you like my content and don't want to miss any future videos. But that's it for now, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.